I want to, what I intend to say, okay, just, okay, what I intend to say, mostly we all fear on the mathematical paper, including me. I will fear on the mathematical paper. Okay, while I am studying now mathematical paper, I feel very comfortable. I don't know why, but while I'm studying mathematical paper, I feel it little bit tough. Why we are all focusing on the mathematical paper as a tough part? I want the reason, Nitish Kumar. Triple one.
Sir, it is difficult to understand, sir.
Yeah, difficult to understand. Okay. So can you give me one more reason?
Sir,
Yeah, no problem. Even if it is wrong also, no problem. Only our friends are here.
sir, every problem differs, sir. So it may be
Yeah.
confusing, sir.
Okay. So very good, Pa. So why I related to studies is so that you can have an understanding. Central tendency means at a particular point we will be focusing pa. At a particular point we will be focusing pa. That is known as the central tendency. Is this logic clear pa? It is same we can apply to the construction industry or a manufacturing industry, any industry we can apply pa. On a particular area we will be having the lot of issues pa. That is known as the central tendency. Is this clear up? Any doubt for anybody? Anyone, please?
Clear, sir.
Representative?
Yes, clear, sir.
Okay. Can I proceed further,
Yes, sir. You can proceed, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So, in this central tendency, I hope, have you completed the estimation and costing part? Have you studied already the estimation and costing or yet to study part?
Sir, now only going, sir. Now we are studying.
Now only going, yeah. Okay, I think, yeah, that's it. Have you completed the concrete technology part, studying concrete technology?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sabresh, I'm going to ask you one thing. What is meant by arithmetic mean part?
The sum of.
Tell me.
So,
Very
adding
good.
and averaging. Sum of all the averages, sir.
No. Anybody? Open chairs? I don't know how many people. I think even 10th and 12th standard we have studied about this arithmetic mean. Anybody, please? I'm expecting some answers, Park. I think no other guy. I'm going to disturb Nitish Kumar. Come on, line, Park.
Sir?
What is an arithmetic mean, Park? From the name itself, you can give me the answer.
The average of numbers, sir. A set of numbers.
Very good. That is the arithmetic mean. Okay, in this central tendency, we will be studying the arithmetic mean. Okay, arithmetic mean nothing but the average of all the variations. Okay, average of all the variations. That is known as the arithmetic mean. Okay, Pa. Let me ask you, what is meant by median? Anybody know about median, Pa? Median?
Middle of the set.
Very good. Om Prakash, very good, Pa. Can you give me an example for median, Om Prakash?
Sir, if the set is between 1 to 10, 5 and 6 will be the median, sir.
Exactly. Very good, Thambi. So, median means if you arrange in a proper sequence, the middle of the value, it is known as the median part. Can you, Om Prakash, can you know what is meant by mode part? Mode. You forget. Okay, no problem. Let me ask. I am always disturbing the boys. Paudarani, 115, come on line, ma.
Sir.
Yeah, I asked you a question. You went off from the class, ma.
Sir, I just switched off the cut-off button instead of mic buttons.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, no problem, ma. Now you have to answer me what is meant by mode, ma.
Mode.
Mode.
Sir, No idea, sir.
No idea. Nitish Kumar, any idea? 111?
No, sir. Forgot, sir.
You forgot. Okay, pa. Anybody want to say? Open choice? Or else, let me say. Okay. Mode means, for example, for example, let us have let us have 5 numbers. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 2, 6. Here, the most occurring number, it is 1. So mode means more frequently that will be occurring. The mistakes which is occurring more frequently. Okay. For example, during the month of monsoon, if we start constructing, we will be affected with the rain. Am I right, Nitish Kumar?
Yes, sir.
So that is known as the mode pa. Okay, that is known as the mode pa. Is the mode clear pa? Is the definition for mode clear pa?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, let us see what is meant by dispersion pa. Let us see what is meant by dispersion pa. Can anybody tell me? I think, yeah, some chat box, Rishi Raghotaman, 109, 113, 113 mode numbers. What is this 150? I cannot able to understand. I think he is counting something. 150?
Sir, frequently called roll number.
Who is 113? Okay, but so I think really that's the right answer. 150. Rishi Raghotaman.